everyone. Welcome to the maths class. Earlier, we have started with the chapter reflection. So today, we are going to discuss invariant points and reflection of a point on a line by using graph paper. Here, first point is A 3, 0. After reflection in x-axis, this point is as it is 3, 0. Similarly, minus 2, 0 as it is after reflection in x-axis, minus 2, 0 only, and 6, 0 is also as 6, 0. So it means when the point is reflected in the x-axis, the coordinates of its image are also same. Means coordinates remain unchanged. So that type of points are known as invariant points when after reflection coordinates will same. Similarly, in case of y-axis also, here point is 0, 5. So after reflection in y-axis, point is remain same 0, 5. And 0, minus 1 also after reflection in y-axis as it is 0, minus 1. So it means points are said to be invariant under reflection in the y-axis also because no change after reflection is there. And if point is origin 0, 0, so after reflection in x-axis also, y-axis and origin also, point remain same as it is origin here. So definition of invariant point is any point that remains unaltered means unchanged under a given transformation is called an invariant point. Now look at the example of invariant point. Points minus 5, 0 and 4, 0 are invariant points under reflection in the line L1. So points 0, minus 6 and 0, 5 are invariant on reflection in the line L2. So first of all, name or write equations for the lines L1 and L2. So L1 and L2 equations we have to write. So here according to the first part, since points minus 5, 0 and 4, 0 lie on the x-axis because abscissa values are given and ordinate value is 0 here. So these points are invariant under reflection in x-axis. So given that the points are invariant on reflection in the line L1, so it means L1 is x-axis. So equation of x-axis is y equals to 0. Similarly, the given points 0, minus 6 and 0, 5 lie on the y-axis and are invariant on reflection in line L2. So therefore, the line L2 is y-axis and equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. Therefore, the line L2 is y-axis whose equation is x equals to 0. This is the first part. Now second part is write down the images of P 2, 6 and Q minus 8, minus 3 on reflection in L1. Name the images as P dash and Q dash respectively. So here point P and Q now we have to reflect in L1 line. So L1 means reflection in x-axis as we have already done in first part. So after reflection in x-axis, point P, now name is P dash and Q dash here. So P dash coordinates are 2, minus 6. because here after reflection in x-axis, sign of ordinate will change. So plus 6 will change into minus 6. So similarly, q coordinates are minus 8 comma minus 3, and after reflection in x-axis, coordinates are q dash minus 8 comma 3. Now third part is write down the images of P and Q on reflection in L2. Name the images as P double dash and Q double dash. So here again P and Q points are there, and we have to do reflection in y-axis now. Now third part is write down the images of P and Q on reflection in L2 and name the images as P double dash and Q double dash. So P coordinates are 2, 6. Now we have to do reflection in L2 line. It means reflection in y-axis. So after reflection in y-axis, coordinates are P double dash minus 2, 6. And Q minus 8, minus 3. After reflection in y-axis, coordinates are Q double dash 8, minus 3. After reflection in y-axis, sign of abscissa will change. So minus 8 will change into plus 8. This is the example of invariant points. Now next topic is reflection of a point in the lines x equals to a and y equals to a. So here x equals to a is a line parallel to y-axis and at a distance of a unit from it. Similarly, y equals to a is a line parallel to x-axis and at a distance of a unit from it. So according to these, now we will do examples related to this topic. So first example is find the reflection of the point P minus 1, 3 in the line x equals to 1. First of all, we have to draw x-axis and y-axis. Here we have to write x, x dash, y, y dash. Then according to the numbers here, 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit here. Again 2 centimeter difference of 1 is there. So it means on x-axis 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Similarly on y-axis also 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit we have to write. Now according to the question, we have to find the reflection of the point P minus 1, 3 in the line x equals to 1. So first of all, we have to draw line x equals to 1. So on x-axis 1 is there. As we have already done, x equals to a is a line parallel to y-axis. From here x equals to 1 is also parallel to the y-axis. So we have to draw here parallel line to the y-axis. Now point P is minus 1, 3. We have to find reflection of this point in the line x equals to 1. Now from here, this point is at a distance of here. From here, look at the boxes here. First box and second box. 2 box difference is there, and according to the scale here 2 centimeter. This box is also 2 centimeter. So total 4 centimeter difference is there. So we have to check, like this line is a mirror. So after mirror line also we have to check 4 centimeter distance here. So after 4 centimeter distance, point is this. So here this point name is now P dash, and point is on x-axis value is 3 and on y-axis also value is 3. So this is the coordinate after reflection in the line x equals to 1. Now second example is Find the reflection of the point Q 2, 1 in the line y equals to -1. Now again we have to plot x and y axis first. Here we have to write x, x dash, y, y dash. Then we have to write scale here. Now 2 centimeter distance is 1 unit here. So 1 table is there on y axis also. So here scale is 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit on x axis also and on y axis also. So according to this question, here point is given to us Q 2, 1. So we have to find reflection in the line y equals to -1. So first of all on y axis -1 is there, and as we have already discussed, y equals to a is a line parallel to x axis. We have to draw parallel line to the x axis on y equals to -1. Now Q point is 2, 1. Now we have to do reflection in y equals to -1. Now from here 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, total 4 centimeter distance is there. So from this line also 4 centimeter we have to check, and this is the image of Q. Suppose Q dash is the name. Now coordinates are on x axis 2 is there and on y axis -3 is there. Now next example is the point P 5, 1 and Q -2, -2 are reflected in the line x equals to 2. So use graph paper to find the image P dash and Q dash of points P and Q in the line x equals to 2 only, and take 2 centimeter equals to 2 units. So according to the question, first of all draw x and y axis. Here x, x dash, y and y dash we have to write, and according to the question 2 centimeter equals to 2 units along both axes we have to take. So here after 0, 2, 4, 6 like this. Here also -2, -4, -6. We have to draw line parallel to the y axis. So this is the line x equals to 2. Now points are given to us. This is the 5 point on x axis and 1 is on y axis here. So here this is the value of P 5, 1. And next point is Q -2, -2 here given. So here -2, -2 now. So this is the point Q -2, -2. Now we have to do reflection in this line only. So from here again 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, total 4 centimeter is there. So after reflection again after 4 centimeter, this is the point and name is Q dash. So on x axis value is 6 and on y axis -2. And after reflecting point P on this line, here from this line 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter gap is there. So from here also 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter gap is there. So this is the point. Value is from here, this is the 1. So P dash value is 1, here also 1. So after reflection points are these. Students, you are able to do sums related to these topics that will come in your SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.